Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to install the Brite box. Alright, so we're going to install the Brite box on our Toyota 4Runner, and this will enable the fog lights to stay on while we're on high beam. So as you're familiar with most of the vehicles in the US, once you turn the fog lights on or the headlights high beam on, the fog lights will turn off automatically. But with this one, with this particular box, we can keep those high beams and fog lights stayed on together. All right, so if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. And shout out to Britebox or Aspire for taking care of me. Great customer service, remarkable, appreciate it. Now let's proceed on how to install. Okay, so with this particular harness, this is like a piggyback or a Y harness that we need to work with. So this will plug in at the back of the headlight assembly, and this one goes to the factory harness. Okay, so this one on the back of the assembly itself, and this one on the factory harness that we will remove on the housing. All right, and then this will connect here. This will connect here, and we're just gonna match this two in here. Just match, and then we're gonna run this on one of the fog light. So we're gonna feed this down there, the back of the fog light, and plug it in. So as you can see here, it's also another Y piggyback cable. So goes to the fog light and goes to the original fog light harness. Then we need to connect this red wire. There's a fuse line in here, which they also supplied. It's a 15 amp fuse that we need to put in here, and this one connects directly to the battery terminal, positive battery terminal. All right, let's go. Let's work on the car. Okay, and this is the plug that we need to remove at the back of the headlight assembly. Okay, so once you remove the plug or the harness at the back of from the back of the headlight assembly, you plug in the one from the kit in there. Just connect them together. Then you connect this one back into the headlight assembly. All right. Okay, so next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna fish the fog light wire cable down to the back of the fog light housing. And to do this, we're gonna put our tire that's pointed to the passenger side, so that we'll have better access of the clips in here or screws. And we're gonna fold the fender liner down there, and we're gonna have access to our fog lights. All right, and to have access to our fog lights, so we need to remove three screws and two in the bottom, and these are 10mm, same at the bottom, and then we can just pull it down so that we can have access to it. All right, let's go. Okay, so now it's connected at the bottom of the fog light. Next thing we're gonna do is we're going to connect this in here. So again, we're just gonna match them. It goes one way. Just let them click. And next thing is we're gonna connect this to the positive terminal. All right, just gonna connect it there. we're gonna put the fuse and we're gonna test it. All right, let's go. All right, so everything is wired up. Positive wire on the positive battery terminal. The fog light wire is connected to the fog light, and the harness is connected at the back of the housing assembly. So before we secure everything up, let's do a little test. All right, low beam, fog lights on, high beam. All right, so yeah, this one works. If you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description. All right, so yeah, this is nice. I like it. Low beam, fog lights, high beam. Low beam, high beam. Like it. So this will be very helpful, especially with this particular setup. You're not really breaking any law because you still have like 4 lights on the front. So this, because this is a bi LED projector, so yeah, you're gonna be safe. You're not committing any crime or anything. You're not breaking any law, traffic rules. So nothing on that one. But if your fog light or if your headlight is like the DRL is your fog light or your high beam like this, then yeah, you're gonna be in trouble. So yeah, but this one, no, you're not gonna be in trouble on this one. You're gonna be safe on this. All right, so yeah, so there you have it, guys. We tested it, it works. Again, if you want to purchase, I'll put the link in the description, the link below. Again, if you find this helpful, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.